Hi, I'm Kim Case. I'm the principal of Central Hardin, and I am so excited for everybody to be here tonight for open house. I'm at Bruin Academy. We are having our freshman open house here. Ms. Dumbacher is going to be the assistant principal who will be here every day. She is also here greeting families, greeting students, answering questions. Ms. Wilson is our freshman guidance counselor who is housed here. She is great to help with student schedules, ask questions, show students around. So if there is anything that you and our families want to know about Central's Bruin Academy, we encourage you to reach out to us, Ms. Dunbacher, Ms. Wilson, any of us, and we'll be glad to help. Thank you.
That's at Beasley Boulevard and Bob's. 732 is your father.
This is the one. Yeah. And so he does the count.
Maybe they can, I hope maybe the first day or two they'll announce like HCEC-TV, but eventually.
But unless you have all, like it's high school's pretty standard in the sense.
So the main nurse has already mailed the care plan to you.
If anybody doesn't show up, no, we're not. We're gonna do radio.
I'm Mr. Cecil. I teach over here at Bruin Academy. I teach Algebra 1 and Algebra 2, and we're doing open house right now. We're staying busy and having a good time. It's going great.
On there too, so if you ever need to reach me, just send me an email or anything like that. You have any questions for me? It's nice meeting you. Have a good one. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Miss Gibson. I teach honors and regular English for 9th grade. So far, we're having a really awesome open house. People are really friendly. They're excited to get back into the building, have lots of questions. Some people aren't so excited, but they said they're going to enjoy their summer. So I feel like everything is going absolutely perfect. You can take one of these if you can get the right. I think that's my material based on the package. Paper, pencil, and whatever you want. You're welcome.
I'm Coach Fairbanks with Central Hardin Bruin Academy. We've had good turnout so far. Lots of kids showing up. Everybody looks excited and ready to go for the school year.
Wonderful, Linda. I will do it.
We have like 57 clubs here, so we're going to get you involved in some. That is my goal. So, you guys have questions?